Bullish ALGO value forecast is 22 cents to $1.40. Algorand cost could likewise reach $3 soon. Bearish ALGO cost expectation for 2022 is 18 cents. In Algorand cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ALGO to break down the future development of the digital currency. Algorand current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Algorand is 19 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,379,829,155 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, ALGO has expanded by almost 3.4% as of now. Besides, Algorand has a flowing stockpile of 7,134,429,442 ALGO. Presently, Algorand exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Upbit, OKX, and FTX. What is Algorand? Algorand is the local digital currency of the Algorand biological system. Algorand is an open-source decentralized blockchain in light of shrewd agreements. ALGO was sent off in 2019 following its mainnet send-off. Like Ethereum, Algorand possesses its local Algorand virtual machine. Brilliant agreements empower clients to create different dApps on the blockchain. Algorand works in light of the unadulterated evidence of stake agreement system joined with Byzantine understanding convention. PPOS was acquainted with the blockchain space by Algorand's organizer Silvio Macaulay. The blockchain follows algorithmic haphazardness to choose its validators and verifiers, and in this way supporting its name Algorand. Clients get to partake in the administration of the blockchain either simply by holding ALGO or marking it. ALGO holders get almost 7.5% APY as automated revenue on holding these tokens. It works with quick, proficient, and practical exchanges at lower costs. Algorand helps to determine the blockchain trilemma: decentralization, security, and versatility. Algorand value expectation 2022. Algorand stands firm on the 32nd footing on CoinGecko at this moment. ALGO cost expectation 2022 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time span. The above outline of a LGO laid the plunging channel example. Sliding channel, otherwise called the falling channel. A sliding channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the quality of a negative market. As of now, Algorand is in the scope of 19 cents. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of a LGO could arrive at the opposition levels of 28 cents. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of a LGO might tumble to 18 cents. Algorand backing and obstruction levels. The outline beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Algorand. From the above everyday time span, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Algorand. Resistance level 145 cents, resistance level 276 cents, resistance level 3 $1.40, support level 18 cents. The diagrams show that Algorand has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, ALGO could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $1.40. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Algorand could dive to nearly 18 cents, a negative sign. Algorand value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Algorand is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of a LGO lies underneath the end line, demonstrating more vulnerable members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Algorand is displayed in the outline above. Algorand cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. Presently, ALGO has entered a negative state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of a LGO whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record of the ALGO is 26.11. This implies that Algorand is in an oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of a LGO might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Algorand value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of Algorand. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Algorand. Presently, the ADX of a LGO lies in the scope of 32.99, and in this manner, it shows major areas of strength for it. The above diagram likewise addresses the general instability file of Algorand. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of a LGO lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Algorand is at 26.11, in this way affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of a LGO with BTC, ETH. The beneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Algorand. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the cost activities ALGO is unlike BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH expands, the cost of a LGO diminishes. What's more, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of a LGO increments. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Algorand could most likely achieve $5 by 2023. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Algorand could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ALGO could energize to hit $7 by 2024. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. If Algorand supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, ALGO would revitalize to hit $9. Algorand Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Algorand supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, ALGO would mobilize to hit $11. Algorand Value Forecast 2027. If Algorand supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, ALGO would revitalize to hit $13. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. On the off chance that Algorand holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, ALGO would hit $15 in 2028. Algorand Value Forecast 2029. In the event that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Algorand, it would observe significant spikes. ALGO could hit $17 by 2029. Algorand Value Forecast 2030. With more noteworthy headways in the Algorand environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into ALGO for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Consequently, Algorand could hit $19 by 2030. And, with consistent enhancements in the Algorand organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for LGO. Consequently, the bullish value forecast of Algorand in 2022 is $1.40. Then again, the negative value expectation of Algorand cost forecast for 2022 is 18 cents. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Algorand biological system, the exhibition of a LGO would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $3.56 very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach $3 assuming the financial backers accept that LGO is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Algorand? Algorand is the local digital currency of Algorand, an open-source decentralized blockchain. Algorand works in view of the unadulterated verification of stake agreement. 2. Where could you at any point buy Algorand?